Okay, so David, thank you for introduction. As said, I will show you a presentation about smart homes, home automation. In Robotina, we call home automation HIQ, as home intelligence. And this presentation will be in connection with the energy efficiency and home energy management system together with HIQ. What are the advantages of our home automation system called HIQ? We as a company, we are originating from industrial automation. And this is the reason why HIQ home automation is reliable due to industry standards of production. Second thing, HIQ is very easy to apply into buildings or homes. Third thing, it's very easy to set it up with a graphical user interface, which we developed. It's called HIQ configurator. You can see it on the picture. And on the last thing, it's very user-friendly to end user. You can see also HIQ commander, so smartphone application to command our smart homes. Without doubt, we can say that HIQ home automation is technology that works. And we have proven this with many examples in Slovenia and also around the world. Which are the main objects, the main things we would like to control in our homes? First is comfort control. As comfort, we think about lights, different type of lights, about shades, and of course thermal control. Then we talk about safety and security in our houses. And on the end, of course, today's topic, energy efficiency, so saving electricity, money, and on the end, our planet. In Robotina, we look at our home as a unit, not as a bunch of devices. So this is the reason why HIQ is controlling our home with scenes. For example, you want to watch a movie in the evening, but you don't want to bother standing up, turning off lights, turning down shades, turning on LED lights or dimmable lights. You can just press a button on your smartphone application and HIQ will do it for you. And the same situation you can think of in every other situation. So HIQ can adapt to your needs. The same is with thermal comfort. You can either control it with timetables or schedules, or via phone application when you're not at home. So when arriving, your home is already warm, waiting for you. Next thing, as I said before, is safety and security. HIQ, so our home automation, can transform everyday use sensors to alarm sensors when we are not at home. And it will let us know if something unusual is happening in our house. So for example, if CO2 level is rising in our house when we are not at home, we can be sure that something unaccepted is happening. And HIQ will let us know. Second thing about security is, of course, access control. So with our application, we can either allow or not allow somebody to enter our house. Next thing connected with controlling our house, our home, is how do we control it? There are many possible ways to control it, to control our houses with HIQ. Either classical way with buttons, and later on we can use smartphone application. Already explained it, the HIQ commander. We can use tablet application. We call it My HIQ, and also application on personal computer. Of course, there is also control via cloud if we want to control our house when we are not at home. HIQ automations. Now we can, till now I was explaining about let's say, electrical installation. But now we can start to speak about smart houses. So, how HIQ will be happy when you will come home and it will turn on lights, lift shades, and put on heating for you. And the opposite will happen when you will leave your house. So all the devices will be turned on, off. HIQ can even lower your lights when not needed and save electricity and money for you. It can also help you to more easily wake up in the morning with gradually lifting shades and turning on heating. HIQ even know when you're going to bed, and then it will also turn off the lights and the appliances which you have connected on the system. So again, we will save electricity and money. Now to the topic of energy efficiency. HIQ has a possibility to make our home as efficient as possible. So it will help us to understand when and how do we use our electrical energy. It can also help us to use our loads, so devices, when we generate our own solar electricity or when the price of electricity is cheaper. Also, it can maximize our self-consumption with using battery storage. Furthermore, we can gain even more benefits with connecting to HIQ Universe IoT platform. My colleagues will explain later more about it. And we can also save energy and money and contribute to the green society by becoming an active prosumer. So that's from my side. If you have some questions, please let me know at the moment. Otherwise, I would like to introduce Mr. Hubert, who will have a presentation about HEMS and implementation example. Thank you very much.